So today is a hair day, okay? I am going to be doing my own mermaid braids, and I did goddess braids a couple years ago. I didn't do a full-length video, but I can insert like a clip right here. Yeah, so I decided I want some really thick goddess braids, which they call them mermaid braids. So I'm gonna be doing those today. My plan is to take, when I did the goddess braids, it took me 12 hours to do them. Mind you, 2 years ago, I did not have a newborn. These are gonna be on the small, medium side, but I want them to be really full. So, yeah. But first, we gotta get gas, baby, or we're gonna be walking to the hair store. So, come on. Let's get some gas and let's get something to eat before. So, I just want to go into this. So I am 2 months postpartum. I just had a baby boy 2 months ago. He is just everything. I love my kids. Like, I just look at them and I'd be like, oh my gosh, like, my heart. Like, I never knew, like, I love my husband, I love my mom, I love my family, but it's like my kids, it's like I didn't know that there was a love like that. Oh yeah, let's get some gas and then get some coffee. Well, let's go to the hair store after this, because the hair store is right across the street from the gas station. It's very convenient, actually. So let's do that. And yeah, let's get some gas and stuff. Left the hair store, so we're gonna go get some coffee and we're gonna get started on this hair, because yeah, I got a lot of stuff in the hair store. Went a little crazy. However, it's gonna be okay, because God is good all the time, you know. So ignore these. I get sleep, but it's like I can't lately. Postpartum, I've noticed that I'm just really tired. Like, that's the only thing. Like, I'm extremely tired. I went back to work already, and it's only 2 days a week, but it's just, I don't know, like, I feel like I'm really, really tired. But anyway, let's get some coffee. That's why we're getting coffee. So, yeah. Alright, so I got the tuxedo with caramel too. Super good. And a sausage grits bowl, baby, they so good. Alrighty. Hey y'all, so I'm back at the house. Obviously, because I have this little boy in my arms. This is Mousy. And he is such a joy. Anyway, I'm just gonna show y'all what I got from the hair store. So I got clips, because of course I'm gonna need some clips, right? I got 3 Rattail combs. The other one just fell on the floor. I got my mouse in my hand, so I'm not gonna pick that up right now, but I will be picking it up because I'm gonna need it. I have a sling for him to be in anyway, but I also got this black castor oil, strengthen and restore hair serum. Oh my god. With shea butter and peppermint. And I think I'm gonna get some rosemary as well, and lavender, because I heard that helps. Baby, I need something, okay? Because the hair is not hairing, okay? Like, my hair, it don't move, okay? It's very nice. I'm gonna try Olaplex too. After this, I think I'm gonna challenge myself to do protective styles all year, for the rest of the year, for the next 6 months. Because yeah, I'm gonna do some quick weaves, which I do a lot of quick weaves anyway. Uh-huh. What's your favorite dinosaur? Okay, a Triceratops. That's my favorite too. I think they look like they have a crown on their heads. All right, and so I also. Okay, I'm gonna pull it up, okay? Can I finish doing this?
Yes.
Thanks. So, I also bought this all over coconut oil for him because he has eczema. For Milesy, he has eczema. So, just to keep his skin nice and moisturized. If y'all have any like suggestions for like eczema, for like baby eczema, let me know because I really don't know what to do. It's cleared up. We use like baby Eucerin, and it's crazy. It didn't happen until after we used Aveeno on his face and body, and like it just broke out. And usually I was like, you know, Aveeno's were for the first 2 kids. Child. Okay, but okay, they used it after that, and it was a success for the girls. So I just feel like it's so funny. I'm actually gonna do a video on my pregnancy because it was so different. Yeah, with him. So, but this is the braid gel that I got. I got a big one and a small one, and then I got some Nairobi, and I got my anointed oil because I need prayer to finish this. All right. Then I have a braid rack. But I'm declaring grace will be upon these hands, honey, because, ooh, Lord. Then I got my bow hair. This is the ESQ bow hair. I got 2 of these because I want it to be really full. I plan on doing like 6. So the video got cut off right here because my storage was being very ghetto. But I was saying I'm going 6 or 7 strands into the braids. You see how kids are rude? But I'm doing 6 or 7 strands in the braid, y'all. Let's keep going. I get baby boy settled, and I had to give me something to drink. Like, I drink a lot in a day because I'm breastfeeding, and I also have my water here in my Stanley. I love my Stanley. Like, I love the fact that my husband, like, I really wanted one for Christmas, and like he went to Academy like every Wednesday. Like, they knew who he was just to find it because they were selling out so fast, and I really appreciate it. And it keeps everything cold. It's just that lately it's been spilling everywhere. Separate the hair. I started separating it. Let's get started. I already noticed that they're a little off. Oh gosh, but let's get started. All right, so let's go for the gusto. So I'm using this. Okay, so I just realized watching this back that there is toothpaste under the faucet. Just act like it's not their child. That's all I can say. You know what I'm saying? Cause just watch, okay? And also, I'm not a braider. I think I say this in the video. I'm not a braider. But if you have any like critiques or whatever, just pray about it, okay? Just pray about it, cause yeah, what I'm gonna do with that? I'm not a braider. I'm doing my hair. I just wanted to share that with y'all. So, but if you can help me get better, like if it's like a real critique, like something I can do to help me, I've watched several videos, let me know. But yeah, other than that, just enjoy. And yeah, I know the toothpaste there. Now I wiped it. You know what I'm saying? All right, enjoy the video. I've been doing wash and goes lately, and just pinning it to the side. I don't like that because I really want my hair like done. It's a cute little style. But I feel like it makes me look so much older or something. I don't know. Very motherly, I guess. But it just doesn't hit the same to me as it used to. So yeah, y'all see this? Ooh, I've had thin edges since for a while, from so many ponytails in high school and junior high. Like, I used to wear my hair in a ponytail all the time. So yeah. So I think this is clean enough. I want my front to be pretty. pretty good. So another clip. Okay. Clipping it off. Don't know if I'm gonna do knotless for real because that's just unnecessary time to me. Honestly, excuse me. Just drink that tea. It's really, really good. A little boba. I like the Joy Buzz anyway. They're very addictive too, so. What am I doing? I don't know. I'm not gonna get discouraged. She's too early on. I'll save discouragement for the back of my head, you know what I'm saying? When I can't see, and then like, but I do think we're gonna do the crochet method as far as the hair goes. I feel like my hair just melts down to nothing, so nervous. But this is how much hair I left out for the braid. Let's see, child. What I'm just gonna do knotted braids, you know what I'm saying? But it's faster for me. It's honestly fast. Okay, so I'm done with the front. However, I am gonna go back through the front when I'm done with the back because I started feeding in the pieces and I like that. And I also split the parts into 2 braids per box and I like that better. So I'll be redoing that. Hopefully I record it, but yeah, so I'm gonna have to take these down and then feed the braids and stuff in because I like that and I feel like it's gonna look nice. So, but progress is progress. It's been a while. I don't even want to talk about the time. Let's just keep going because it really, you can't tell the difference between the 33 for real and the 4. So that's good. I'm sitting back down right now, so I'm kind of tired. I'm really not tired. I've had a lot of caffeine with the bubble tea and the coffee we had this morning, so it should be good. So let's keep going. I've come too far to give up now, baby. Cue it. I just can't give up now. I finished my list. I got so it is. The very last braid. That's what we're looking at right now, but it is 5:14 the next day. I had to wait for the baby to sleep, and I know it wasn't rest. So yeah, we're almost done. And I'm loving, I can't wait to spray this hair down. Ignore this, okay? Officially done. It's 5 in the morning. I'm up 6. I'm going to bed now. Just gotta oil my scalp and we're done. This is the Nairobi studio. And I'll see you later. Bye.